for several minutes before wiping off any excess mark.
Good morning. Do you believe that? WD-40 to remove glue? Well, I guess we have to try. I sure will. Come along. Rain, 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 or too cold. This must be the worst winter ever. Unbelievable. Not just personally, but also for everybody. Wow. Rain, 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 rain. I always loved winter more than the summer because of the sunny days, the nice temperature. Oh, forget that this year. So, but I'm gonna try and see if I can get that glue off. Wouldn't that be fun? This here is clearly glue. I want to try it, see if it works. It'd be great if it will.
Whatever it was that held me back, I'm sure it wasn't true. Holding on too long on unresolved questions holds you down. What could have been a friendly smile has turned into a frown. I'm moving on and on.
Well, you're not wiping it off. No way. Wiping? Forget it. I think it's not a very good idea. Doesn't seem to do much. Well, I think that's my day. Cleaning this shit up. First all the strips that will have to be painted because they will remain to be visible. And they will be white. And the rest just has to be cleaned. That's my day. I just ran in the house. I still got acetone. Oh, that seems to work. Good old trusted acetone. It's raining so hard, I had to close the back door. I mean, it was dripping. So I'm going to continue on this stretch. But I just had a brilliant idea. I went inside and I thought maybe thinner will do the job. Acetone is doing a little bit. That WD-40 is doing nothing for me. Maybe thinner. Let's try it. No way. What is it? I'm gonna be here all week.
The landscape changes around me. On and on, I feel I'm lost. Whatever happened to me happened for my highest good. I read that in so many books, now it's almost understood. I'm moving on and on.
That was serious rain. Boy, we had enough, enough. I'm happy to see spring coming here. It was getting so dark in the bus. I simply couldn't see what I was doing anymore. Okay, so I have to continue here and continue there. Don't know for how long. Boy, it's a shit job. Oh well, we'll see. But what I did find is when I took this bed out, there was a wet spot there. And I now found, during the rain, where the water comes in. I only have to research how to close it, where to close it, inside or outside, and then that's sorted too. And what material I should use. And there's a little hole there, see? That's where the water comes in, I think. Unbelievable. Tiny hole. So where is that exactly? That's here somewhere. Don't know how to solve that. Have some lunch, maybe a nap, and that'll be it. Good morning! The sun is out. Happy days. I did go back yesterday and I did a lot of the scraping, so I only have left around the window there a little bit. Today I hope to finish the scraping, do some sanding and clean the whole thing. If I can get that done in time, then maybe Timo and I can do something fun this afternoon. Yeah, that'd be nice. Finish the scraping, finish the sanding, time to clean. I can get this done today. If you think it's important to me to have it dust free behind the panelling, you're wrong. I clean for a different reason. It makes you go in all the funny corners and then you find things that might be wrong, things that might be broken. It's just nice to know if there's rust underneath. Like here, same problem as on the other side. There is a little hole that I can see the light through. You have to thoroughly clean that somehow and fill it up. Don't know how yet, but we'll find a way. And then we still have the riddle of the vents. If I look in there, I see daylight. Where is it going? We have to find out. But where does the little ventilation hole come out? Maybe in the bumper? Can't feel it. Okay, still no nothing. I guess we keep it. I am very happy. That went really quick. I have some time for a beach walk with Timo this afternoon. That will make us both happy. If we have the same weather tomorrow, I'll start with the paint. There's a few little things I have to do. Like here, I didn't take the rubber off. I'll do that the day I paint it. I'll clean it under there just before I paint it. So you never know. Might still rain again tonight. But yeah. Clean, clean, clean. Happy days. Red the van is getting somewhere. Now that's the weather we were all dreaming of. Perfect winter weather. Good weather for me to do some painting. I'm gonna make all of this that I sanded white. Here, by the door there, and around the window. But first I have to remove this rubber, because under there it's still filthy. I didn't want to play with it too often, so I have to do a quick sanding. I'll clean everything, degrease everything and paint. Let's do it. I'm just reading here, second coat after 4 hours. And since this metal is in the sun, it'll dry quicker. So I think I can do 2 coats today. That'd be nice. So, let's see how this works out. I've got a cheap and nasty paintbrush, because at least I can toss them at the end of the day. But if that doesn't work, I've got a proper one too. But you need to clean them, and nobody likes doing that. So let's see what it does. Hammerite is usually very forgiving, so we'll see. Two, 3 coats, and we're good.
All alone on the internet, but you don't seem to forget about yourself. Wondering how it could go so wrong, what you didn't call for.
Don't look like much, but we have a beginning.
Let me tell you about the trees and the seas, how it's all connected.
Well, it's done for today, and it said on the tin that I could do it again in 4 hours, but it's touch dry. But I'd like to sand it lightly between layers, just to get a smoother end result. I'm not sure if I can sand it, but I'll work some in the garden, give it some time, and maybe I can do it again at 4 o'clock-ish or something. That feels very dry. If I can sand it with this really fine sandpaper, I will give it another coat. If not, tomorrow.
So here's a reminder to live the life that's pouring into you. And so my friend, let me tell you once again, and you know that it's true.
Well, that's the white, done twice. I think if I do it once more tomorrow, we're good. Job done. Nearly. But yeah, it won't be a perfect finish. I mean, hammerite is like an industrial paint. Doesn't work that smooth. But yeah, I'm happy with it. There's cloudies coming. It's getting cold. Time for a shower and call it a day. And of course it started raining again. So I quickly put some plastic over the back, because I can't close the back door completely. So I better go check. Now it's not raining so hard. See? I so hope there's no water inside. Let's check. It rained really hard. It's all dry inside. Okay, not to worry. We're good. Let's hope it's still dry in the morning. Oh, so had it with rain. Good morning. Welcome back to the van build. I was walking Timo this morning, and they're demolishing a house and throwing all these things out. I thought they might come handy at some point. You never know. I'm going to finish off the white paint today. Sand it, give it one more coat and it should be good. And then I think the prepping is over. Unbelievable. All took way more time than expected. Lesson number 1. Double the time you set for something. Maybe goes the same for the price. I don't know. We'll see. But time to get to work. Let's go.
Summertime, summertime, love's in a crown. Summertime, summertime, everything's just fine. But autumn came, autumn came.
Still cold. You know, when you do something like this and you've never done it before, man, you do so much thinking. I'm now thinking about the electricity. How many wires do I have to put in before I close it up? I'd like to run them through something that you can always add a wire. I'll probably put a few wires extra in, just in case I forget something. I probably will. First I have to find out what that all is on the inside, because I have too many brake lights, reverse lights. There's something wrong there. I want to have a sensor on the bumper installed. Scary stuff. So yeah, I have to think a lot to not forget something.
Who are you counting on? Who are you leaning on? When the cold winds blow strong, who are you counting on?
One job done. Quite happy with it. It looks good. So next I have to clean up this rubber, lubricate it and put it back up. Since it's dry in 4 hours, I can do that. Yes, quite pleased. I can do that. Well, that's me done for today. All I have left is these 2 holes where water comes in. But I want to wait till it's absolutely dry. So no rain for a week and then I'll fill them up. I have to Google on how to take apart these lights and how to do all that. Some wiring, Googling stuff. So yeah, see you next time.
Spring will come, spring will come, with squirrels on the run. Lots of fun, sit in the sun, another one.